Welcome back everybody to my channel. I am Cammy from Cammy's Craftiques. Today I am bringing you a Dollar Tree haul. It's not too big of a haul. It's mainly the summer signs that they have with a couple of other things thrown in. What I'd like to say is they blew me away with the summer signs. I just fell in love with practically every sign they had, at least in my Dollar Tree. I am ecstatic to show you, and here I begin. The first sign that I will be showing to you is probably my favorite sign, and it says "Hello Summer," and it's in the shape of a mason jar mug, and it has, I want to say this may be a lemon, maybe, I thought at first a pineapple, but I'm thinking it's more of a lemon, and I guess with cherries, I don't know, but it has like red drops and it says "Hello Summer." It does have some glitter on it, so you know there is fallout, but a little nothing a little hairspray can't help. I thought this was adorable though. I usually do my porch, my front porch at least, in red, white, and blue from Memorial Day to Labor Day. And I thought this would pick up nicely as an accent, even though it's not all red, white, and blue, but the blue in the hello, the red in the summer, and there is white here. So I thought this would really look so, so cute. So the other one I got is just as cute. It was another one, and this says "Oh Sweet Summer." And this is more, I would say grapefruit because it's pink inside. But maybe not. Maybe it's a lemon and with the blueberries. But I thought this would also go cute. I'm thinking, because I have like 2 bistro tables, maybe get some kind of easel and like put it up there. But I thought these signs also would look cute. Like if you're having a barbecue, and like I'm saying, like an easel, just prop them up, and then you have your cups of like on one side and all your drinks and everything. I think this is adorable. So yeah, $1. Like, I think it's adorable. The rest of the signs are in no particular order. It was just those 2 signs were probably my favorite. Unless I say more that something else is my favorite in a few minutes. This next one is a pineapple. So I think this is really cute. This is festive. They have a lot of pineapple accessories out right now. I saw like pineapple tote bags in a little bit. I'll show you one. But yeah, I thought this was really cute too. I'm thinking of doing a wreath with this because a lot of people where I live do like the pineapple. So I'm thinking this may be the middle of a wreath. And if it is a middle of a wreath, I will post it on Instagram. I do post my wreaths that I do make on Instagram. So if you're interested in the wreaths that I make, just look me up. You can follow me. I'm Cammy's Craftiques, and that's on Instagram. Okay, the next one's a really cute one too. And this is like a surfboard, and it's saying "Let's be mermaids." And I just love it. The mermaid is in the white glitter, so is the "Let's be mermaids." Then they have a little pink coral, a little yellow coral, and the blue background for the water. And I think this is so cute. Honestly, this could go in a bathroom if you have like some mermaid theme going on. I just think it's adorable. Okay, my next sign is "Hello Summer," also in that surfboard shape. And this kind of takes me back. I like a lot of vintage and retro things. So this sign, I think I'm also going to use with my other signs and my red, white, and blue porch. Because there is blue, there's red, there's white. So I think this is like the cutest. But this really, truly reminds me of a retro scene. So here we go. Hello Summer. Excuse me, my allergies are kicking today. Excuse me. The next sign is, it's 5 o'clock somewhere, and I think this sign's great. I bought a few of these because, like I said, I do make wreaths. I have the Margaritaville, not resort, housing development not too far from where I live, and I think someone would really like this a lot in Margaritaville, or anywhere. Like like all these signs would kind of look cute, like scattered within, not scattered, but if you have a fence or something in your backyard, just kind of like staggered around. These signs, like, I mean, you can't beat it. It's $1. But yeah, that's what I'm going to do with one of those signs. This next sign is, it says fruit stand, lemonade, and strawberry pickin'. I think this sign is really cute, and again, I noticed with a lot of these Dollar Tree signs, they kind of intermingle. Like, this would look great. This would look great together. I mean, look at that. That's adorable. So, Dollar Tree just blew me away this time. But with this sign, I don't know if I'm going to actually use it this way. I may use it I may use them individually on a wreath, or if I do decide to do something like outside, I may remove this ribbon and put burlap, or I may just leave it as is. But I'm probably going to use it on a wreath because I do sell and make a lot of wreaths. So we'll see about this, but I just thought it was really cute. I may even wind up keeping it for myself. I thought I had another one of those signs. Yeah, I do. So the next sign is Sandy Beach, Salty Seas, and Relaxation. Oop, I'm sorry. There we go. And this sign actually goes with a few of the other signs that you'll be seeing shortly. I have like that's a little crapped up. I have a starfish sign. I have a turtle sign. And the seahorse, I don't recall. But I do know they had like dinnerware, like that would match each of these. And they were really cute. And they had dinnerware with like summer flowers like hibiscus. They had maybe the flamingos. I'm not 100% sure on the flamingos. I think they did. Yeah, they did. But they do have the dinnerware sets, like the plastic. So you could really like do it up with the theme, you know, even if you change it every year. I mean, it's quite affordable. So that's that sign. And the next sign is Meet Me by the Ocean. And like I was saying, let me do it this way, how they kind of all coordinate with one another. How cute would that be? Look, well, you can't see it that way, but how cute is this? This is adorable. Meet Me by the Ocean. I mean, you could do this in a bathroom if you want. You could do it outside. This is like in a sun porch. This is just so cute. So yeah, like that's really cute. And the turtle, he kind of pops out. He's a separate piece of wood. So yeah. Okay, the next sign I have just says welcome. And here's a starfish. And again, look how great that would go. Let me get that in better. Do it. Oh, pardon my elbows. But yeah. That noise you hear is my cat playing in the Dollar Tree bag. She is like having the best time right now. Okay, and the last sign I have is Hello Summer, and again with the starfish. And like I said before, they all kind of coordinate. So to me, I think this would be great. You could have this sign and the starfish sign and the turtle sign, and that would make a nice statement. So yeah. Okay. This is a little random what I'm about to show you. But I hope I didn't buy another one of these, but in one of my hauls I did show you these stencil wheels. I think they're great. These are butterflies, and I know I'm going to use it for like card making or some DIY. Kitty, you okay there, girl? She's like jumping in all the bags, and Sadie's coming on me now to visit. Hello, Sadie. Do you want to say hello? This is my Sadie. Yeah, she's my little Boston Terrier girl. I love you. I'm going to put you down, though. Okay, Mama? Okay, Mommy's almost done. Okay, so another one of my beautiful Dollar Tree finds is this tote bag. And these tote bags, they had them in orange. They had hot pink. They had orange, hot pink, and like a royal blue. And they're pretty decent size in there. And like, they're kind of sturdy. So Yeah, I would definitely use this like to bring it to the beach. Throw a beach towel in there, some sun lotion, a good book. Yeah, like $1. Why not? I actually bought two of them because my original thought was I was actually going to sit like a flower pot into it just to give it, dress up the flower pot a little bit, which I may still do. I don't know. But when I got home and I was like, wow, this is made pretty good, I may use it for the intended purpose. So yeah, I got this tablecloth, and again, this tablecloth, there was no matching signs because I bought all those signs, but I like this tablecloth with the flamingos. They had the dinnerware, and their dinnerware came in all those ocean themed signs. This didn't have a sign, but they had dinnerware, napkins, bowls, platters. So they had a really nice assortment. So if you want to do a nice summer thing, theme going on, you could really do a nice one. I did open up one of these tablecloths, and it says flannel backing, but it is very thin. In all honesty, I don't see the flannel because this is the back side of it. I don't see it, but you know what? For $1, I think these are cute. Oops. So, whatever. Okay. My next one is just a plain red because I normally do my porch in red, white, and blue. And I figured my front porch, the two bistro tables, I got the solid red. And I would like to mention that these tablecloths, they come in the round, the oval, oblong, and square. So it's not just round. You may have to dig through a little bit, but they do come in different sizes and shapes. There's the sizes and shapes. So I did pick up on the flamingo theme, the chair pad, and I picked it up, but when I got home, I was like, wow, this is really thin. Like, there was like no difference of what you were sitting on. And I only picked up two that day because I wanted to see, because I did realize it was thin, obviously. And then I thought, well, I could stack two together, like maybe stitch them or glue it or something, and it would be a little bit better of a cushion. My original thoughts was to actually do like the back and a seat cushion. I don't know if I'm even going to use them, but I figured, I love the print. That's what I went after. But okay, one of the last things I have to show you, I just got maybe 2 or 3 more things. I bought these trellises. Right now I'm not even going to try to fight it because they got tangled together, but I bought 4. They had 4 and I bought 4 because I want to do the DIY where you make the flower pot and everything. I will post pictures on Instagram after it's completed. I may do a tutorial, I may not, I don't know. I do more pictures than tutorials. I am trying to film a little bit more. I know previously I had mentioned my mom, she lives up north. I live 800 miles away, and she is terminally ill. And what I figured, so you have something to look at. And I'm not getting to film as often as I'd like to, but I do enjoy filming, and I do want to thank everyone who does subscribe. So yeah, if you don't subscribe, my videos will only get better. I'm brand new to this. I'm really trying. And I will be trying to film a little bit more, but my mom comes first, obviously. So I go up, what I do is like every 3 weeks, I fly up from Friday to Monday. And then, I got to go back to work. I work full time. And on the weekends, I'm not working. I try to go to New York. This weekend, I'm actually home here. So that was a blessing. I only have 3 more things to show you, and I'll be very quick. I took up a lot of your time. This is felt ribbon that I found, and I thought this would look so pretty, as some kind of trim. This is the blue, and it's all different flower cutouts, but look how cute that is. Wait, there we go. Could you get that? But yeah, I got this in blue. I only saw 3 colors. I saw this in blue. And then I got this in pink. It's roses, all cut out. And I thought this was so cute, and I was like, felt cut out is adorable for some kind of trim. I think I'm going to do it on the flower pot wreath, maybe. I guess, maybe not. I don't know. And then the other one I saw was the purple butterflies. And these butterflies, they have the cutouts and then the solid butterfly. And they all have like a scallop edge, kind of like a scallop decorative edge. So, yep, that's all I have for today for my Dollar Tree haul. I would like to thank everybody for watching, and I hope you watched to the end of this video. Please comment below if what you would like to see. I do DIYs. I like to go thrift shopping. There's so much I like to do. I live in a coastal area, so if you want to see, like, where I live, I have no problem showing that. Little by little, we're fixing up our house. Yesterday, I was all day in the yard. We put down 4 yards of mulch. My husband's out there now seeding my lawn. So we constantly have DIYs. As you can see in the background here, I do have a new floor. My couches are covered. They're brand new couches, actually, but I have 2 Boston Terriers and a cat, so I do tend to cover the couches. I have a kitchen floor that needs to be done. I have a lot of stuff going on, but I do like sharing everything with you. So please give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and thank you again for watching. Bye-bye.